To start quilling, you'll need a slotted quilling tool, scissors, tweezers, and quilling paper strips. Paper quilling designs are made up of smaller coiled and pinched shapes, which together form a motif. These motifs can be used as artwork, embellishments for various craft projects, and even as standalone pieces such as jewelry. There are many different quilling shapes, but even complex designs can be achieved with these beginner shapes. To make a tight or closed coil, roll the strip of paper around the quilling tool to form a coil. Hold the coil tight, slide it off the quilling tool, and glue the tail. To form a loose coil, roll the strip of paper around the quilling tool. Slide it off the tool and allow the coil to expand to the desired size. Glue the end of the paper down to maintain the coil. To make a teardrop, start by making a loose coil. Then, holding the center of the coil to the side with a pair of tweezers, pinch one side to form the teardrop. To make a marquee, start with a loose coil and then pinch on the opposite sides of the coil to form the marquee. A square or diamond shape can be formed by starting with a loose coil, pinched into a marquee, and then pinched again in 2 more points to form the square. To form a heart shape, start with a loose coil, pinched into a teardrop, and then use your quilling tool to depress the curve of the teardrop to form the heart. To make an S scroll, roll one end of the paper toward the center using the quilling tool. Then roll the other end in the opposite direction until the 2 coils meet in the center. To make a C scroll, roll one end of the paper into the center, then roll the other in the same direction until they meet in the center. Once your shapes have been made, you can arrange them to form a design and then use glue to adhere to a surface or to one another.